Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pickled fish onions. First, you will want to prepare your onions. Take 2 large red onions and slice them very thinly, aiming for consistent rings. After slicing, gently separate these rings. This step is crucial for ensuring that every piece of onion gets thoroughly coated and infused with the pickling liquid, leading to a perfectly tangy and crisp result. It's a simple start to a fantastic condiment. Next, let's create the flavorful brine that will transform your onions. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of white vinegar with 1 cup of water. Then, add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a small pinch of whole black peppercorns for a subtle kick. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until both the sugar and salt have fully dissolved. Do not boil, just warm it enough to dissolve the solids. Now it's time to bring everything together. Carefully pack your thinly sliced red onions into a clean, heat-proof glass jar, making sure they are snug but not overly compressed. Once the onions are in, slowly pour the warm brine over them, ensuring that every single onion ring is completely submerged in the liquid. Seal the jar tightly with a lid. Let the jar cool to room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 24 hours to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Once your pickled fish onions have marinated for at least 24 hours, they are ready to enjoy. Store them in the refrigerator, where they will remain fresh and delicious for up to 2 weeks. These tangy, crisp onions are a fantastic addition to many meals. Try them alongside grilled fish, on top of your favorite sandwiches, or even mixed into salads for an extra burst of flavor. They truly elevate any dish with their bright and zesty profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.